Hello and welcome to VB Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. And in this tech help video, we're going to learn how to take inputs in a console application. So let's get to it. If we open up Visual Studio, we're going to create a new project. We're going to use the console app that we used in the last video, Visual Basic. We're going to call it console inputs, and we shall create it. I haven't installed version 10 yet. That's recently been released, so be good to upgrade to that soon. I'll do that offline, and we'll just let the project scaffold, and we'll get back to where we were in our previous console video. So as you can see, we've got a simple template that just writes out hello world. We'll add a console.readline just to make sure it stays on the screen afterwards, and we shall press run. And as you can see, pops up with hello world, and then you can see a cursor is flashing because that's waiting input. So we can actually type anything we want there, but as you can see, once we press enter, the application closes. So we want to accept some input and do something with it. So firstly, we'll create a string and we'll call it input. We shall then assign the read line to this, so we can say input equals read line, and then we can output that input back with a console.writeLine. So this will be the simplest way of taking input and returning it back to the screen. So if we click run, it'll say hello world. You can see the cursor is flashing. We'll say ABC, press enter, ABC is returned, and then it's awaiting input again and closes. So what might you want to do with that? You might actually want to ask a question. So instead we could say, what is your name? And then when we output, we can say, your name is, and then add the input. So if we press run again, it says, what is your name? You can say Alex, and then it returns back your name is Alex, and then the console application finishes. So that's a really simple way of accepting input and returning it back. We can go into much more complex examples in future videos, but it's a quick tour of the read line option. Thanks very much, and see you in the next one.